We're here at Porsche Beachwood again for another Cars and Coffee event. Excellent weather, a little cooler than last time, and lots of good cars. Let me take you around and show you some of the favorites that I've found so far. Ferrari 296 GTS, this thing is awesome. Aventador. The sign, man, it's just iconic. The way it looks in person. RS with the Visoc package on it. You can even watch them service your Porsche. Look how clean it is in there. So cool. The green over here, I love this color. Even the blue. Got a Ferrari parked down at the end. .918 Spider wall art. Imagine having that in your garage. We'll go into the showroom here next. They unveiled the car. This was under a cover earlier. They just unwrapped it.
I think it just rolled off the truck. And what was it was they get a few replaces and they produce out and it doesn't fit so like they repair it like replace the I like the front.
Look at the white interior on this. 488 Pista Spider. There's a Lamborghini Revuelto that pulled in just ahead of them earlier too. I feel like a kid again. I am. Oh man, this Revuelto looks so cool. All the 911s you could ever want. Porsche Beachwood, it's just such a cool dealership. The layout and the attention it draws with these cars and coffee meets. If you haven't been to an Ohio car show, I'd say in general, Keep an eye out for the Porsche Beachwood Cars and Coffee events. They are really fun. You never know what you're gonna find. All kinds of crazy cars. You gotta get out of the way. We get hit by a Maybach. See what I mean? Got Brent's R8. Brent from WD Detail. He always shows up to the Cleveland and the Canton events. It's nice of him.
He said that when he was in the military.
My friend Jim's Ferrari 812 GTS right here. Lovely car. Interior is so nice.
Or start investing now.
V12 goodness. And this Huracan STO. I had the chance to drive one of these, but I turned it down. Maybe one day. I did get to drive this AMG GTR before. Yellow, not green. And of course, Kevin's Aventador SVJ. So cool.
Well, by making it everyday.
This Dodge Viper GTS. This used to be one of my dream cars back when I was little. The blue with the white racing stripes. Ferrari 360. So nice. And it's the gated manual. Even though the 360s are a little older, I still really like them. And they look so good with the gated manual. I'd still like a 355, but it's okay. Again, that SVJ, you see that on the road, it's like a spaceship. This is such a special car to me, and it sounds amazing. He has the Gentani exhaust on there, makes it sound even better. Like, when else are you gonna be able to enjoy this stuff? You gotta enjoy it in the moment. These cars will never be as new as they are right now. History. So cool. And this McLaren with the purple accents. Pretty sure this is another rare spec. But it's such a bright purple. It looks so good against that McLaren orange. And right behind it, a Lamborghini Murcielago. Where do you see these? You never see these on the road. Another awesome thing. And in green. It's not gated manual, but it's still in really good condition. Look at the engine. Super clean. And this McLaren 570S interior, this looks really nice against the blue. All kinds of fun cars. Looks like this GT3 RS is getting ready to head out.